very pertinent issue today, and that is COVID-19, which not only India but the whole world and people all across the whole globe are fighting this pandemic for almost over 6 months now. It's very unusual in the history of the nation and the whole world that everybody all across the world is just busy in one thing, is to protect and save its people from the devastating ill effects of a small tiny virus COVID-19, known to the layman as coronavirus. Punjab National Bank has a very distinguished history. It has already, although the bank completes 125 years, but the concept of the bank was born 126 years back on 12th April in 1894, and then, as far as I know, next year itself the first branch was initiated, and today it is probably maybe amongst the top 2 banks in the whole country. A bank with 118 million customers, whatever I could gather as information about the bank, with over 10,910 branches. And now when 2 other banks, the United Bank of India and the Oriental Bank of Commerce, have merged into this, it has over 13,000 plus ATMs all across the country. It is not only serving people in India in a big way, it is serving people in UK, it is serving people in Hong Kong, it is serving people in Kowloon, Dubai, and then of course Kazakhstan, UAE, Shanghai in China, Sydney in Australia, and then it has collaboration with banks where it has a major share in Bhutan as well as Nepal. So it's not a routine bank located in a couple of locations in the country. It has an international spectrum, and also a very pious history with the involvement of the great freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai ji, our most revered leader of the freedom movement, and Shri Dayal Singh Majithia ji and many others who were instrumental and who were associated in the birth of the bank and also its management for number of years. Among the great dignitaries of this country, our first Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi, our revered Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, another son of the soil, and also former Prime Minister Shrimati Indira Gandhi, and the committee of Jallianwala Bagh, something which this country can never forget, and we always remember the people who lost their lives in that massacre. They are all some of the important names who had their association with this bank, who had their accounts in this bank. The bank has been serving humanity with the utmost commitment, sincerity, with a sense of purpose, and with extreme good quality focus on customer care. Today the country is passing through very difficult times, as the whole world is also. For the information of those who are connected with the program, you may like to recall that India is amongst the first country in the whole world where we had responded to the news of a new coronavirus having entered this world through China. That information was received by the whole world officially on 7th of January through the World Health Organization. And here in this ministry, we had organized our first meeting of the group of experts with even representatives from international organizations within less than 24 hours of that information on 8th of January, almost 6 months back. And in that meeting itself, there was no case in the country, nobody had entered India with an infection. But anticipating with our past experience, you all know that India has in the past also faced so many difficult situations. We have already eradicated diseases like smallpox and poliomyelitis from the country. We have fought against many other viruses in the past, starting from the AIDS virus in the 80s to the swine flu or Ebola or Zika and Nipah virus in the recent past. We have fought them very successfully. We had not allowed Ebola to enter India in 2014, and last 2 years, last year itself, we did not allow the Nipah virus to come out of Kerala. So with that experience and anticipating that things that could actually happen in the future, our ministry had drafted detailed action plan, detailed advisories for the whole country, and within the next 7 to 10 days we had shared all those details with all the states, all the health departments of the whole country.